Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I can continue the tutorial. Okay. After the configuration the env and get the API, now I can create the model and migration category. Okay, open your terminal and click the PHP artisan make model, and this is name your file, and this is I can give the name is category in m. Okay, and this is have a two file. This is a model and migration or database. After success generate the model and migration, we will continue by adding a field or attribute in the migration file. Okay, and now open the migration file. Okay, and this is the category. You can add the table. Okay, table. Sorry, but I study code not refresh. I don't know. And type that is string. And this is give the name is image or image. Add the table string name. Okay, table string slope. Okay, in the above the attribute image, this is attribute is image and type that is string. Attribute is image and type that is string. This is loading our to save the image name. Okay, this is to save the image name and type that is string, and this is type that is name and type that is string and attribute is name. What is right, guys? Who you know? I don't know. Loading. Okay, to save the category name, this is save to your category and slug, and this is the attribute and type that is string. Okay, and slug is to store category slug, and you don't know yes what is this, right? Table string what the this is right, yes. Where the okay, and now open the model category. Okay, and this is at the protection protected syntax error. Oh no, oh, what is label okay, and this is at the typeset from migration, and this image and name and slung. Okay, slung. Okay, what is, you don't know, this is I don't know, it's from bug. This is bug from Visual Studio Code. Yes, you see, and this is right. Yeah, and Visual Studio Code, I don't know. Okay, from the character above we add a property name. It's viewable. This property can also be called mesh assignment. This is loading it. I don't know. Okay, step 2, create product model and migration. Okay, you can text example. Yes, and change the name for file, and this name is product. I give name this product. Okay, now open the migration. We can add the table or category. This table unsync big integer. This is for category ID. Okay, and table string image and table string for title. Okay, we still table string slope. And table text description, table integer to price for price, and table integer wipe or stop. Yes, wipe, and table for digit at the category ID. This is the example for this, and this is copy category ID to reference this ID, and on categories and this is, and for name this you can free your name, and on delete is cascade. Okay, for the first, the category ID attribute is category ID, and type that is using that big integer option the origin key. This is to create a relation to a table category. To create the relation table category, and image string you don't know to save image from import, and title is house. Okay, and slung association to save the category slung, the attribute slung, and description. Okay, and this is description. Is attribute is description, and type that is text to save product information. Okay, this is descriptive. For category is text. Type that is and now price, and price this use the type that is integer because this is price. Okay, and white else, and now add the aldet for model. Open the model. Protected, and this is name is available. Okay, and this is add the all categories from category ID. You can copy this and don't forget to edit image. Title, slung, description, price, and white. Okay, after the create the product categories or product file, now we can create the customer model application. Okay, else for this, and change the name to customer. Okay, and customer we can add the date for database. Table that is string, image, and this is name. for name and password. You can email and password correct or not. String the password. Okay, the attribute image is typed is string option the nullable. To save the image name and it's not required to be filled in. And name you don't know for save the name and email uniquely. Oh no. Email is not unique. And email to save the customer and password else. And now we can add the date form for the model. Okay, else protected available, and this is at the database from customer table in migration name, email, and password. Okay, and now add the car category and name change to car. Okay, and this is else create the database unsing integer for customer ID. And product ID and label integer to kit. Okay, and this is have the two unsymmetric integer. Okay, and now we add the two origin. And name this, can copy this. Okay, this is add reference for ID and on its ID for customer on delay cascade. And this ID and cascade. The type it unsigned integer for customer ID. This is option for region K to create a relation to a table customer, and this is also to create the relation on a table product, and KTA to store quantity. Okay, and now we can add the database for model. Okay, and this is no, sorry, protected v label, and add your database customer ID. No, sorry. And name is customer, not customer. Customer. Okay. Customer ID, product ID. No. Product ID and kitty. Right, yes. Okay, and now create the province. Okay, and province, and this is have a name, string name. Okay, to save the province image name, and now add the model protected v label name. Okay, now create the city migration province, and now city. Okay, and in the city have a name the city, and city from province 1. Okay, name table unzip integer. This is for province ID. Okay, and but this is I can use the unzip integer. Don't forget to give the origin, the origin key. Oh, sorry, table origin, and this is province ID. Can copy, and this reference for ID, and on or province. On delete is escape. Okay, and now add the model. Okay, before add the model, I can give your creation. The attribute name is type that is string, and this is to save the name for city, and province ID, this is to create a relation to table province, and this is use the origin key. Okay, and not the city. and protected available and add your database name and protected ID is province ID. Right, province ID. Okay, and now add the transaction. Okay, in transaction you can have many description, and this is use ANSI big integer customer ID to protect the transaction. You can use the is province ID and integer to city ID. Okay, and add the table string invoice. Okay, don't forget to wait. And text or address. Okay, and this is for decimal for the total, and decimal is use voice. Use the 8 and 2. Now table menu, the status pending, success as success and expired and file. Okay, and default is pending. Okay, and this is the status is have pending, success, expired, and filed. And now add the table string snap token for the token your ID, your product. This label. Okay, and now add the origin key. Table origin for customer. Customer ID from reference ID and on for customers. That is cascade. Okay, we add change. And this is provinces. And this is cities. Okay, and this is the attribute customer ID. Embedded is unsync with integer. Option the origin key to create a relation to table customers, and province ID to create relation to table province. To create the relation table province from ID the users, and also the city ID. Okay, and now add the model. Okay, protected label. That is transaction ID, province ID, and this is I copy because this is a Word file. Okay, invoice. Okay, well, you can copy for all. Address, total, status, and the last is snap token. Okay, and now create model and migration transaction. For owner. Wait. Transaction. Okay. This is a transaction model or detail. Transaction detail. Okay. Table ANSI with integer is transaction ID product and table the string is integers for kitty quantity and table integer for price. Okay, don't forget to origin key. Table origin and add the transaction ID, reference for ID and on transaction. On delete is cascade. And product ID change to product. Okay, and origin key is to create relation for transaction detail. And product detail for customer or user. Okay, and this is protected available and transaction ID and quantity price. Okay, now create shipping model and migration for owner. Okay, table ANSI integer is transaction ID. Sitting courier. table stream shipping service. And now table string shipping codes. Oh, sorry, not string but the decimal. For egg and 2. Okay. Foraging. Pets. Reference for ID and on from transaction. Okay, on delete for cascade. Okay, and this is unsigned integer for create relation table, and this is for owner for and do you know for buyer. Okay, and now add this protected label. ID. And this is shipping courier for the first courier, and shipping service. It's shipping service, shipping codes, and transaction ID. Okay, and now create the rating. Okay. Table unsick integer. It's transaction detail ID. Transaction detail ID. This is for customer. Customer ID and product ID. for rating. And text to review. Okay. Origin. What? Preference for ID and on from transaction details. Transaction details and on the for basket. Customers. And this is for product. Okay, and this is attribute transaction detail ID. Use the type that it unsigned integer for region K to create a relation the transaction detail for owner or buyer. Okay, and this is for customer, and this customer ID, and this is product ID for the customer. Buy the product, get the product ID, and this is you for the product ID customer. Okay, and now protected enable customer ID, product ID, detail ID, rating and view. Rating and review. Okay, and now create the migration slider. Okay. The table is string image string link label. Okay, and image needs you don't know to save image, and link to save the slider link, and it's not mandatory to fill it. This is not for your text this. Okay, and now can add this protected label image and link. Okay, after the create all migration and model, after successful creating model and migration, then we will continue to learn to add relation or relation in the model, the arms to connect between the relation table. Okay, step 1, one-to-many categories to product one-to-many. Now we will create a relation one-to-many from table categories to table product, which means one category that can have many product data. Okay, now open the category.php. Okay, and this is add the for connection or public function product. This is for connection to product table. Okay, return this as many product price. Okay, from the code change above, we add a new method with the name is product, and in it we create a relation as many to the model product. Okay, and step 2 belongs to products to category by owner. Now we will create a relation belongs to from table products and table categories. The goal is so that we can scale the parents data category from the product data. Okay, and now in product.php, open the product.php. Okay, and now function. Sorry, public function. Category. Okay, and now we can return this windows to category class. Okay, and from the code change above, we add a new method with the name is category, and it we create a relationship belongs to the model category. Okay, step 3, one-to-many transaction to transaction detail. Same as before, that is we create one-to-many relation or one-to-many. where in one transaction will be able to have a lot of data in the detailed transaction. Okay, and now open the file transaction PHP. Public function transaction detail. Transaction detail. Transaction detail. Okay. Return transaction detail. Oh, sorry. Return this to as many transaction and detail class. Okay, from the code change above, we add a new method with name is transaction detail. Okay, and in it we create a relation has many to the model transaction detail. Okay, and this is have the before we create the 12 model, and now change order, and now transaction to shipping 1-to-1. We continue create relationship as one from table transaction to table shipping. This means that one data in the main table transactions only has one related data in another table shipping. Okay, open the transaction.php, and this is transaction.php. We can check again on add relation. Okay, and now we can add configuration. Public function. Name is shipping. S1. Okay, both we add a new method with the name shipping, and in it we make a relation has one to method to the model shipping, and step 5 one to many product to rating. Okay, here we will create a relation on to many from table product to table ratings. This means that in one product can have many rating or reviews. Okay, and now open the product.php. Okay, and this is add the table public function ratings. this right where the okay, and this is name is you can see is ready, and this is for the model or file for your relation. Yeah, okay, sorry about that sound because I am in the contraction. sorry. From the code change above, we add a new method with the name ratings, and it we create a relationship has many to the model rating. Okay, sorry with sound because I am in the uh, contraction. Okay, step 6 belongs to transaction to customer owned by. Next, it's to create a relationship belongs to the to between the table transaction with this means. Then there is a transaction customers data owned by a customer. Okay, and now open the transaction.php. Okay, we can add owner, public function, and this is name is customer, region below customer. Okay, from the code change above, we add a new method with the name is customer. Okay, you can see name is customer. You can change the names free for, and this is I give name is customer, and in it we create a relation belongs to the model customer. Okay, step 7 belongs to transaction to province owned by. Next, we will create a relation belongs to between the table transaction with province. For example, transaction with ID. Okay, this is example. Yes. Okay. Example, the transaction has ID blah 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 1 and is directed to the province West Java. Okay, and now open the transaction.php. We can add again, and now for province, public function, province belongs to profit. Okay, from the code change above, we add a new method with the name province, and in it we create a relationship belongs to the model province. Okay, and now step 8 belongs to transaction to cities owned by. Just like above, here we will create a relation belongs to transaction with cities. For example, transaction with ID 123, for example, is transaction with ID 12345 is directed to the city Bandung. Okay, and this is for the city Bandung. Okay, and now we can add for this is file transaction.php. We can add again for city. Okay, and now return this belong city to city. Okay, and this is the name. You can change name for free because this is a name from database form model. This is city. This connection for city. Okay, now on to many province to city on to many, and times we will create a relation one to many, namely where one province there can be many cities or districts. Okay, and now open the province. Where oh, right, this province. Okay, and this we can add public function CTS. This is has too many. Okay, from a code change above, we add a new method with the name is CTS. Okay, name is CTS, and we create a relation has many to model city to city model. Okay, let's say to city model, and now belongs to cities to province. Now we will make the opposite, which is where the data in the table cities is owned by the data in the parents table province. For example, this is example, right? For example, city of Bandung. Okay, Bandung is the province of the West Java. Okay, city Bandung in the West Java. Okay, see example. Okay, and now we open the city.php. Is public function, and now we can give name is province. Okay, and this is belongs to yes. Okay, from the code change above, we add a new method with the name province, and in it we create a relationship belongs to the model province. Okay, and now step 12 order belongs to cars to product owned by. Next, we will create a belongs to relationship between the cards and products table. Okay. For example, is example X. Example from belongs to cards to product by owner. Okay, example, the item, this is item, the item, and item is gaming laptop. In the product table, gaming laptop in product table, from product table by this example. Okay, and now we can open the cards categories. Public function and name is product. Return this belongs to S. From the further change above, we add a new method with the name product. Name is product, and it will create relationship belongs to the model product model. Okay, and now belongs to cards to customer owner by. Next, we will create a belongs to relationship between the cards and customer table. For example, item the product is gaming laptop, and this is buyer for the customer owned by customer name is example is Budi. Okay, from the customer table. Okay, and now in the cards table we can add again sorry public function name is customer, and return belongs to customer. From further change above, we add a new method. The name is customer, and we create relation belongs to the model customer. And now belongs to transaction detail to product. Okay. Next, we will create a belongs to relationship between transaction detail and product tables. For example, the example the gaming laptop product in the product table. This is in product table. And now open the transaction detail .php. Okay. Public function. The name is product. Returns belongs to class. From the code change above, we add a new method with the name is product, and in it we create a relation belongs to the product model. The name is product. Okay, and now belongs to rating to customer. Next, we will create a belongs to relation between the rating and customer table. For example, the rating 5 example is rating 5 star, and review is good, delicious. Okay, delicious or variable is were given by name the customer is Budi. In the Budi is from the customer table. Okay, and now open the rating.php. Yeah, sorry. Public function, the name is customer, and this is belongs to from the code change above. We add a new method with name is customer, and this is and it we create relation belongs to the model customer. Okay, and the customer. Okay, and now we can check city is province, category is car, yes, transaction, detail, user account. And now I can okay. This is a break 5 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, now creating seeders province. Now we will continue to create a seeder for provincial and city data from Raja Oke or from API Raja Oke. The purpose of provincial and city data being stored in the database is so that we do not always request the Raja Ongkir API, because we will make a request to the Raja Ongkir API to get courier service information, data, and price only. Now we will create a seeders table. Okay, PHP artisan make seeder and name is province table seeder. Okay, and okay, if about command success XML, then we get one new seeder file with the name province table.php in the folder database seeder. Okay, in the folder from database in seeders, you can see. Now we can add okay, this is K. Config Raja Ongkir. .apa. Okay. Right. So respond. Response http sorry about this sound, right? And this with headers. This is get from Raja Ongkir. Profits. Now I can check this. Okay, for this is thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.